गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योगबेला। आई एम प्रीति। उठने के बाद का समय बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एंड वही डिसाइड करता है हमारा पूरा दिन कैसा जाने वाला है। बट लेजीनेस की वजह से वो समय वेस्ट हो जाता है। तो उस समय को वेस्ट ना करते हुए अपनी मॉर्निंग को एनर्जी एंड एंथुजियाज्म से भरते हैं विद दिस 10 मिनट सीक्वेंस। तो प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट ऑन टू योर फोर्स। फिंगर्स को वाइड ओपन रखना है। रिस्ट शोल्डर के एकदम नीचे आएगा। नीज हिप विड्थ अपार्ट एंड नीज विल कम राइट अंडर योर हिप्स। वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कैट काउ with and untuck your toes. So you should have a good foundation before starting the practice. Inhalation के साथ ऊपर देखें and nicely concave your back, pushing your tailbone out. Exhale, chin to the chest, round your spine, buttocks completely relaxed, gaze at your navel. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, look up, concave your back, pushing your tailbone out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more round. Inhale. Exhale. Now, with an inhalation, neutral your spine. Tuck your toes and अपने knees को just an inch off from the floor. And breathe there. Three, 4, and 5. Drop your knees down. Spread your knees wide, big toes together, buttocks on your heels. Adho Mukha Virasana. Just observe your breath. Good time to establish a connection with your breath. Now slowly come up. Tuck your toes, take your knees off. Downward facing dog. Fingers wide open, center finger pointing forward, keeping your feet hip width apart. Work on lengthening your spine. If your hamstrings are too tight, you can keep your knees slightly bent. Breathe there. You can also come onto your toes, take your heel off one by one. Feel that stretch in the back of your legs. It's a nice morning stretch. Now, bring your right foot forward in between your palms. Drop your back knee down. Release your back toes. Hands at your waist. And push your hips forward. अगर आप अपने knees के साथ comfortable नहीं हो, so you can use knee pad or a cushion under your knee. Nicely push your hips forward before we get into Anjaneyasana. Build that foundation. Once you're there, palms to the chest center. And also make sure knee and ankle एक ही लाइन में रहेगा. keep pushing your hips forward. Now slowly extend your arms up. Gaze forward initially. अब आप बहुत comfortable हो, then lift your sternum up and go deeper in the back bend. You can also look up to the ceiling. 3, 4, and 5. Palms down. And now straighten your right leg for Ardha Hanumanasana. You can take your toes up. Right leg को straight रखना है. Fingertips walking forward. Exhale, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly back. Now, tuck your left toes, press your palms, right leg back. Downward facing dog. We'll practice the same sequence on your left. Left foot forward in between your palms. Back knee down, release your back toes. Hands at your waist. Push your hips forward. Nicely push your hips forward. Firm foundation before you get into the pose. Palms to the chest center. Slowly extend your arms up. Comfortable, lift your chest up and bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly, palms down. Straighten your left leg, Ardha Hanumanasana. Walk your fingertips forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin down. Gaze at your big toe. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left foot down. Tuck your right toes. Press your palms. Right knee off. Send your left leg back. Downward facing dog. Now from there, lie down on your abdomen. Keeping your palms either side of the chest. Slowly, with an inhalation, lift your chest up. Exhale down. In Bhujangasana. Inhale up. Exhale down. Try keeping your feet together. Inhale up and hold. And 5, release. Now onto your back. With both your hands, grab your shin or ankle. Inhale. Exhale, take your nose close to the knee. If you're very comfortable, you can grab your foot also. Now with your left hand, grab the outer edge of right foot and drop your right leg to the left side. Turn your head to the right. Center and release. Same to the other side. Shin or ankle, wherever you are comfortable. Inhale, exhale, take your nose close to the knee. Now, with your right hand, grab the outer edge of left foot and drop your left leg to the right side. Turn your head to the left. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly center, release. Spread your legs wide, mat width apart. Open your palms up to the ceiling, fingers naturally curled. Just relax and observe your breath. With every inhalation, feel the expansion of your abdomen. With every exhalation, your abdomen is sinking down into the mat. Observe this abdominal movement while breathing. आई नो इस एनर्जेटिक शुरुआत के बाद आपका दिन बहुत अमेजिंग जाने वाला है. आई विश यू अ ब्यूटिफुल डे. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना ना भूलें एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू योगबेला. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे. नमस्ते.